Is there an effective treatment for snoring and sleep apnea? I've been researching this question for a while now, and I think that I have come up with some solutions that work. But everyone is different. Our reasons for snoring vary from person to person, so one treatment does not cure all, which is rather a pity. However, I live in a small Victorian house. It's a lovely house, it's well built and it suits me. However, it's not large. I had a friend staying over recently. Due to the global issues, we haven't seen much of each other in over a year. So we sat up late, talking, reminiscing, eating far too much cheese and drinking probably more than was wise. As I said, my house is not large. And they snore. Oh, do they snore. So that's echoing from my spare room. My Labrador, who sleeps in my room, started snoring, and the two of them got into an awful counterpoint. I wasn't having a good night because I've had builders work in my house and there's a lot of dust, and it was one of those evenings where I couldn't get the mask for my CPAP machine comfortable, and after a while I took it off, which meant that I was waking up with my breathing cessation, which is uncomfortable. So I've lying propped up in bed listening to this horrible duet going on when my cat, my big Ginge, came up and wanted some fuss. He was lying on my stomach and he started purring. The loudest purr I've ever heard from him. So I have two awful noises and one beautiful noise, and I can't sleep. It occurred to me the question I should be asking is, can I force a cure for snoring on my friends? Unfortunately, we are not a dictatorship. However, if you suffer from your loved one snoring and keeping you awake at night, maybe you should look at the link in the description below and see one of the solutions I've come up with. I hope you sleep well. Take care. Bye.